In this video, I'm going to show you the whole process of how to install HestiaCP. It's a fork of VestaCP on Hostwinds and managed Linux VPS server. Okay, we're going to use pan2.mail628.com. Okay, mail628.com. That's a fully qualified domain name. But we're going to use pan2 to dedicate to indicate that's a second panel or second server. As Hestia control panel, a server control panel, only one panel for one server. So we, second, server 2 could be called panel 2. Okay, so that's why I use this term. Okay, let's first get a basic monthly VPS hosting plan from Hostwinds. We go to Hostwinds website. We will see that under VPS there's two for Linux hosting. There's two categories. One is managed. As you can see, that's the normal price is $10.99. With the 53% discount, you get $5.17 per month. That's for the first month. Actually, this discount apply for the first term. But if you click to the Unmanaged section, then you see this price. This is after the 10% discount. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna get the basic one because this is just for testing. Okay, we just click order, and already have an account with them, so I don't have to fill out that one. So let's see, managed. Okay, 10% saving. Okay, Seattle location operating system. I'm gonna use Debian 9. I like Debian. 1C VPS. Okay, that's all classic. So that's that. Quantity 1. I don't need backup. Let's see. Oh, it's already added. Select that. Monitoring, no. Just we don't need a license because we're gonna. This is a free open source server control panel. So not CP, not cPanel. We don't need that. Payment. Okay, credit balance. Okay, I still have that. Okay. Apply from my credit balance to this order. Yeah, good. Oh yeah, well, I can use this. Okay, so I'm gonna complete this order. I have read that. I don't need the support. Complete order. Okay, this is the order number. Continue to that. So we already have this. This one. This is the unmanaged one. Okay, that's another server I have. Okay, we're gonna click manage. It's automatic active, so we'll see. Manage, and then we see the IP, see the host name. That's default host name. We just copy this IP I have this text file to record everything. It's better with this because this will we have the formatting code in the. So this is pure text. We just copy also the VPv6 IP here. Yeah, that's that. Okay. Click here to manage this server. They already assigned name servers, but we're not going to use it. We're going to use custom. Well, we can use it if you want, but we're going to use a private custom name server. Okay, here we see this view, and we need the root password. So we're gonna, copy it and paste it here. What is it here? So that we're gonna use it later. Okay, that's it. And then we're gonna do the second step. The first step, get a basic plan. The second step is set RDNS properly for the server. We're going to basically manage IP. See here, it shows that it's a default, has the default RDNS place. So we're going to simply add it, but already have it here, or let's just simply copy it. We'll see whether we can change it. Normally probably they won't allow you to change, but we'll see. Yeah, it worked. Allow me to change that. And also the IPv6 address, we're going to sign this one. They're slightly different, just so we know that which one they use. IPv4 use this name, and IPv6 use another name. Okay, that's it. All set. And then we are going to since I registered this domain at enorm, so I'm gonna set a glue record for these two name servers. This is custom private name servers. So we'll go there. Have to log in. Okay. Yeah. Well, I have to do this. Enorm. Okay. So I'm gonna log in. And then, yeah, this is they don't want you to use this advanced tools. So domains, advanced tools. Okay, and then we can register a name server. Okay, so I'm gonna register. Register, where is it? Yeah, this one. copy, name server, and then the IP address. I have to copy this the IP. Well, if you use Hostwinds, name server, then you don't have to do this. But since I like to, to have my own name servers, so I do this. So that registered. Okay, then the second one, which is actually this one. Oh, same. This one, copy. I'm going to do it again. Advanced Tools, register a name server. So paste, Control V, this one. Okay, so we've done that. So that's the third step. We set a glue record, basically to assign these two name servers to the server IP. Okay. Since I'm using a Linux server, this is a Linux server. I mean, default desktop picture. It comes with terminal. So I'm going to use this. If you are using a Windows operating system, you may need the PuTTY software. Okay. Then first, I list here set SSH server key login without password. This is just convenient for if you use it a lot. It's better not to use password. You just set up a key login. I'm going to show you quickly how to do it. Basically, you need to issue this command. Let's copy its IP and paste here. Basically, you need to set up a pair of key on your computer. I already done that. So if you don't know how to do it, you can Google it. So for this tutorial, I'm not going to give you all the details. By the way, on here I have a text version. So when I finish this video, I'm gonna, displace the video right under the title here, and but I have a text version showing how to do it on installing HestiaCP on a Linux server. Okay, so I already have the instruction here. So if you prefer a text version, you can come to this place. Okay, I'm going to put a link underneath the YouTube video. So on this page has a link, how to generate and store a pair of cryptographic keys, a set of keys on your local computer. Since I already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. So I'm going to just paste, just copy the key over to the server, and then ask, do you really want to continue? Yes. And for the first time, I need the password. Okay, so we're gonna enter the password, copy, and then paste. Okay, so So this means next time we can simply log in without using a password. Okay, so I'm gonna basically we can do next time we can do this SSH copy just this, then it should log in right away. So this is the neat thing about that. See here, login right away. Expand a little bit to make it bigger. Okay, it shows the see the host name is still the default one. Okay, so we're going to make sure the Debian 9 installation, the operating system is up to at least up to date. We're going to use this command. Where is it? I'm going to get it here. So basically this command, I could put it somewhere here. This one, just to make sure everything is up to date. This is a minimal install. So okay, the operating system upgrade has been finished. Okay, next we are going to set the server host name and host. Okay, this is optional, but as I always do this, just make sure everything is set up properly. So we're going to issue this command, copy this command, and come here and paste nano. See here, basically it shows the default host name that is signed by the by Hostwinds. Okay, by the server data center. We're gonna use this one. Host name. Pan2. Yeah, Pan2 means server. This is because the first server, the first install is on the Linux. This one. We're going to delete it. To delete kill the entire lines, Control K to kill the entire line and paste. Okay, then Control O to save, Control X to exit. Then we're gonna edit the second file, which is this one, and see here we have that So we're gonna basically there's the internal one. So we're gonna probably just comment out this one, and then add this one. Add this one below. Okay. So Control O, save. Control X to exit. Okay, since we already upgrade the system, operating system, and also made the changes, so it's better this time to do a reboot. Okay, it's better do it from the Hostwinds server portal here. So we're gonna do reboot, confirm. Yeah, shows the power off. Rebooting. Rebooting hard. Okay, running. Okay, so now, yeah, during the reboot we will log out automatically. So we're gonna log in again. Okay, see, that's why to use a key login is better, because you don't need to enter a password. You just, the computer just share the key, and when the two keys match, you connect. Okay, we are here, and then you see that the host name has been changed to PAN2. Okay, so if we type the host name, let's clear the screen. We would type the host name. Shows the full domain name. Okay. All right. So we can proceed to the next step, which is the final step: install HestiaCP panel, control panel. We're going to use we like to have the multiple PHP version selector here, so we're going to use that option here. But first we need to get the installation script from Hestia's website. See, this is the HestiaCP.com website. You can get all the information, and they have GitHub. They supply right now through that. So this is the GitHub page. Has more information. Instead of installing the stable master version, also you can test out the development build. Okay, if you want to. But we just I like to have the multiple PHP selector installed. So I'm gonna basically copy this and download download the installation script and then just use this one, see, with the multi PHP option set, and also email password, and also the host name, domain. So we're gonna just copy and then paste. So this is the nice way. You just make sure you prepare everything on a notepad, text editor. That way you can just copy and paste the command. Okay, then hit enter. Then see, we have the screen, type Y, enter. And it will just go by itself, since I already given the host, the email and the password and the host name, so it just run by itself. I probably have to change something. Let's see here. The DNS name setting. This I have to change it. I have to change to the current one to match. Okay, we're gonna use this one because we already registered that one. So because this point, the current one, point to another IP, point to the Lino IP. So we're gonna use. I have to change it to that panel change. And change. So now we come back. The server IP. I just copy. Make sure copy here and paste here. This is the one we're going to use for cPanel. The server panel login. Okay, let's see how it's doing. Still. Okay, finished. Now we're gonna use the IP address. Copy this. We'll give it a warning because the HestiaCP control panel use the self-signed because we haven't applied for SSL certificate, so it use self-signed, so it's secure, but give you the warning. Accept the risk, continue. So you see we have this login. So we can copy the password and then log in. Admin paste. No. Okay, so we have logged in. Note that a fresh install, you have nothing here, nothing here, and nothing here, nothing here, and nothing here. So only a domain, basically that's the one I entered, and a user. So, okay. Okay, I forgot to show the multi PHP selector. So I just add this section. This is after I added this domain. But anyway, we'll just check, pick anyone, pick this one, the main one, the host name domain. Then we'll see the web template. See Apache 2 template. See here has all the PHP and different versions, from 5.6 to 7.3. So you can use. Okay, so that shows that the multi PHP selection is there, installed properly. And for the customization, will be a next video. We'll probably just focus on that. Okay, thank you for watching.